What's up guys? Good morning and good day. So for today's educational vlog, we will be learning another some type of special puzzle which is named KenKen Puzzle. So what is this KenKen Puzzle? KenKen Puzzle is a trademark name which is styled for arithmetic and logic puzzles, it is invented in 2004 by a Japanese mathematics teacher which is Mr. Tetsuya Miyamoto. He invented this game in order to train our brains. So it is stated that it is invented for an instructional free training of your brain. Another trivia is that KenKen Puzzle is a Japanese word which means cleverness. If you're not familiar with KenKen Puzzle, it is quite the same with the game Sudoku. Because, let's say that this is your Sudoku puzzle. In Sudoku, we use as grids. So, this grid is a 5 by 5 grid because we have 5 boxes in this column. In this row, and then we have 5 boxes in this column. So, the main rule in Sudoku is to not repeat this number or one number more than once. So, which means that this number 1 should not be repeated in this row, and there's no number 1 in this column. Same as well with the KenKen Puzzle, this is the main rule, no number should be repeated more than once. So, what is special about KenKen Puzzle? KenKen Puzzle uses mathematics in identifying which number should be filled in each boxes. Let's say this is your KenKen Puzzle. KenKen Puzzle you must be observant during your play in KenKen Puzzle. You should observe these broken lines and then solid lines because it has meaning on how are you going to use the operations in KenKen Puzzle. KenKen Puzzle uses operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So, let me explain to you how this game goes. If you happen to observe broken lines in your grid, which is, for example, there is a vertical broken line in this box and a horizontal broken line in this column, that means that these 3 boxes are connected with each other. You cannot connect it in this next boxes because it is blocked by a solid line. So, if you observe here, it is stated that 5 plus. So, in these 3 boxes, you are going to insert 3 numbers in which if you're going to add, because the operation here is addition, 3 numbers that if you're going to add them, the answer is number 5. So, you can pick from numbers 1 to 5 because our grid is a 5 by 5 grid. So, let's say that if we think 3 numbers that if we're going to add, the answer is 5. Let's say we have 3 plus 1 is equals to 5 because we are looking for 3 numbers. So let's say we have 3 here, and then 1 here, and then 1 here. This might be the correct answer, but let's observe if there are no numbers repeated on any columns or any rows. Now if you observe that there are some boxes here that are covered with solid lines, this means that whatever number is inserted in this box is the answer already. So you're just going to copy the answer here. So if the given number here is 4, the answer here is 4. Now let's proceed here in 10 plus. Let's think of 3 numbers that if we're going to add, the answer is 10 because the operation given is addition. So let's say that the numbers you've picked is 2, 5, and 3. Now let's proceed to these 2 boxes. So let's think of a number, 2 numbers from 1 to 5 that if we're going to multiply them, the answer is 8. Let's try multiplying 4 by 2. So 4 times 2 is 8, right? So let's try plotting numbers 4 and 2 here. So we cannot put 2 here because there's already number 2 here. It is not applicable because it should not be repeated in any columns and any rows. So let's try putting number 2 here and number 4 here. Trying to check if our answer is correct, let's be observant enough if there are numbers repeated more than once. So we can say that our KenKen Puzzle is now solved. So that's it for today's educational vlog. I hope you've learned something about KenKen Puzzle again. Thank you guys, bye!